Hello students, today we shall learn about pronunciation of some letters in some words. Pronunciation is very important. It can be learned only by listening. By reading, we cannot learn pronunciation. So please try to listen carefully. There are some different sounds of the letter CH in different words. In some words, CH is pronounced as cha, as in change. CHANGE, change. While in some other words, the same letters CH are pronounced as ka, as in cord, CHORD, cord. Here we have chili that we eat, kitchen, KITCHEN, lunch, chicken, young one of hen, conch. Conch is a shell formed by marine animals. Conch. It has spiral shape and hollow spiral tube inside. Similarly, church, there are two CH letters occurring in church. Both are pronounced as CH. Cha. Watch that we use here, where to see the time, to check the time, check, CHECK. Cheer, chair, CHIR, chalk, writing chalk, cheese, all these words are pronounced with cha, CH, cha for CH. Now there are some words in which the same letters CH are pronounced together as like K. For example, cord, chemical, 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 not chemical. STOMACH, stomach, not stomach. Stomach, the bag storing food in our belly. Stomach. Coir. We are familiar with coconut. The peel of the coconut is called coir. From coir, we can make ropes. Strong ropes can be made from coir. Also, we use coir in beddings, pillow beddings. sit bottoms. Chaos. Chaos is the noise produced by many people. Monarch and headache. Ache means pain. Headache, toothache, backache, stomachache, like that. ACHE, ache is meant pain. Pain in head, headache. Pain in tooth, toothache. Pain in back, backache. Pain in stomach, stomachache, like that. Thus, we have different sounds of the same words CH. There are many such examples in which we find the pronunciation of the same letters in different ways. Try to collect them, practice them, and prepare them. Listen properly, attentively, and practice it often to master them. Speak properly. Now we have some other words also. They are called homophones. Homophones. These are the forms of the words, synonyms, words with similar meaning, antonyms, words with opposite meanings, homophones, words with similar sound, homonyms, words with same sound, same spelling. But here we talk about homophones. Homophones are these words which have similar sounds. They are pronounced in some similar way, but they have different meanings and also different spellings. The word homo means same. The word phone means sound, telephone. Microphone. Micro, small, phone, sound. The instrument catching small sounds, microphone. Phone means sound. Homo means same. For example, wood. Wood is auxiliary verb. I would like to tell you a story like that. Would. I would go, we would go, you would go, I would go to the temple tomorrow. W-O-O-D, would. Now pronunciation of W-O-U-L-D and W-O-O-D are approximately similar, same, wood. But this wood, W-O-O-D, means forest or wood of the tree, material from which chair is made. Wooden chair, wood. W-O-O-D, wood. Wood also means area which dense trees, many trees. Big area with many trees is called a forest or jungle. Thus, the meanings of these two words are different. Also, the spellings are different, but they pronounce in a similar way, similar sound. Similarly, B-U-Y and B-Y-E. B-U-Y, buy means to purchase. I will buy a new mobile tomorrow. Buy. B-U-Y, buy. Give money and take the article from the shopkeeper. To buy means purchase. B-U-Y, buy. Whereas B-Y-E, buy. When we say farewell, bye-bye. When we depart from our relatives, we say bye. We offer bye. So these words have same sound, buy, but they have different meanings. B-U-Y, buy, means to purchase. B-Y-E, buy, means to bid farewell. They also have different spellings. Another word, W-I-C-H, which. Which color do you like? I like green color. Which? Whereas the word W-I-T-C-H, which is some ghost like concept, which is female ghost, though which does not exist, but this occur in some ancient stories. Which ugly, horrifying female creature with miraculous powers. Another word, pill, P-E-E-L and P-E-A-L, pill. Pill means bark of a fruit, pill. And to P-E-A-L, pill means to tear the bark. This is word, this is noun. Similarly, B-R-E-A-K and B-R-A-K-E. Both these words are pronounced as break. Break means to make into two pieces. Break. Lunch break, breaking news, break, gap, to make two pieces. B-R-E-A-K, break. And B-R-A-K, brake, is the brake applied on wheels of the vehicle. When we are running a scooter or a cycle, bicycle or a motor car, and when we want to stop it, we apply brake to stop the wheels. So break is an application applied to stop the vehicle. Break means to make into two pieces. Similarly, HEEL, hill, and HEAL, hill. Both these words have similar sounds. They are homophones, sounding similarly. But they have necessarily different spellings and also different meanings. HEEL, hill, is the lower part of foot, hill, head to hill. Head is the topmost part of our body, hill is the bottom part of our sole of our foot. Whereas HEAL, hill, means to recover from illness. HEAL, hill. Hill, health. Health is wealth. To heal means to recover from illness. Similarly, we have fair and fair. FARE, fair, FAIR, fair. Both these words pronounce similarly. They are homophones. But FARE, fair, means charge taken by the owner of the vehicle, like bus, train. When we go from one city to another city, one station to another station, in a bus or train or plane, we have to pay some charge for carrying us. That charge is called fare. What is the fare to Ahmedabad? What is the fare to Bombay? The charge that we pay to go in a vehicle owned by others is called fare. And here the word with similar sound, fare, but different spelling, FAIR, has meaning. FAIR, fair means beautiful, lovely, fair, good looking. Fairy tale, fairy, fair. Fair means beautiful, lovely, good looking. Thus, fair and fair are two words with different spellings, different meanings, but same or similar sounds. They are called homophones. Dear students, be very cautious about learning this type of words, because they are similar in sounds but different in meanings. Therefore, we should pay proper attention while learning them. Try to collect such words, practice them, and prepare. Because they have similar sounds, we may misuse while writing. What we speak, perhaps we may make mistake in writing, because spelling is concerned with writing. Speaking is concerned with pronunciation or sound. Thus, because they are same, speaking or pronunciation, they may confuse us. Pair means this pair or that pair. So take proper precaution and try to learn this type of words cautiously. Thank you and have a nice day.